Why not look cute while training in the classroom? It's back to school season, so I figured now is a great time to film a makeup tutorial that will make you look really cute and effortless. So I'm gonna keep it very quick, simple, yet long lasting, and of course natural, because I also know that some schools don't even allow makeup, but with this one you'll be fine. They won't even tell that you have makeup on. So when it comes to products, I'm gonna show you the ones that I like and I would spend my money on, and in my opinion it's worth to spend some cash on, but I will also recommend some more budget-friendly products. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with a little bit of skincare, and I would highly recommend to do the same. Always do some sort of preparation before you apply makeup. So when it comes to skincare, always remember that less is more. So wash your face, use a moisturizing cream or a moisturizing serum, whatever works for your skin, and of course finish with SPF, which is the most important step when it comes to skincare. This is the moisturizing cream that I'm currently using, Beauty of Johnson Red Bean Water Gel, and I also finish my skincare with sunscreen. Like I said, it is the most important step. I'm currently using this one. It's the Summer Fridays Mineral Milk Sunscreen. I really like this one because it's lightweight and it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. Also, it's very hydrating and it gives you a really nice glow. And just like that, we finished with the skin preparation. As you can tell, it only takes 1 minute to prepare your skin, so don't skip this step. So in order to create a long-lasting makeup, we need to follow 3 very important steps: primer, setting powder, and setting spray. So we're gonna start with primer. I'm gonna use this one. This is also very lightweight and it gives a really nice glow. So I'm gonna skip foundation because in my opinion foundation feels kind of heavy, and especially for school I wouldn't want to have anything heavy on my skin. So instead of foundation I'm gonna use this bronzing serum. This is one of my favorite bronzing serums. It has the perfect color, it gives you a very natural and nice glow on the skin. It's very hydrating because it's also enriched with hyaluronic acid. I just love it so much. So this product is a little bit pricey, so in case you don't want to spend that much money on a product, I would also highly recommend the L'Oreal Tinted Serum. This is also very similar to this one. It's hydrating, it's lightweight, it feels really nice on the skin. It also gives you this nice glow, and also it's so much more affordable. So next we're moving on to concealer, and this specific one is what you need, guys, and especially if you are in school and you don't have your own money, because this product will help you save some money. So this is a T-Fit. It's a Cover Up Pro Concealer. We have the natural shade here, we have the medium and the dark one. So you take 3 different shades in one palette, and also it's very affordable. I usually go for the medium shade because I don't really like a bright under eye. So I just take a little bit of product with my brush and I just go straight to my face. My skin is not looking great at the moment and I hate it, not gonna lie, but I try to not let it affect me. So we'll take my beauty blender and I will blend it in and out. Always try to blend your products in tapping motions. You don't want to smudge it. Also guys, if you're also struggling with your skin at the moment, if you have acne for example or something, this is your friendly reminder to still love yourself and love your skin, because you still look really beautiful and your skin is still very beautiful. So don't let it affect you. Don't let anyone tell you that you need a lot of coverage on your skin just because you have pimples. You're still very beautiful. And this reminder is also for me because my skin is my biggest insecurity, and if my skin doesn't look good, I don't feel good. It could ruin my whole day. I am sure that there are so many people out there who feel the same way, and that's why I wanted to remind us that we shouldn't let our skin or some pimples affect our mood, our day, and our life in general. So next I'm gonna use this plumping gloss. I'm gonna let it sit on my lips and then I'm gonna wipe it off. So while I do the rest of my face, I'm gonna let it do its thing, and it will give us a really nice plump on the lips. You can feel already this tingling sensation. So we're gonna continue with the rest of the face and we're gonna give some color. So I'm gonna use my all-time favorite cream bronzer. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and I have the shade Deep Tan. This is another product that has my heart and you definitely need in your life. So I like to start from here and I go under my cheekbone. And the same I do on the other side. I will also put a little bit here on my forehead, a little little bit here. It will make your face look very lifted. And I will also do a tiny bit on my nose. So this is what it looks like. I know that right now looks like a lot, but once you blend it out, you won't be able to see it. It will give you just a nice color. So again, I'm using my beauty blender, and in tapping motions, I just blend it in and out. I always blend it like this so I can keep it in place. Look how nice it looks. So for my nose, I like to use a small sharpened brush like this because it's easier to keep it in place. The key for this makeup look is to blend your products very well so it looks more natural. You don't want any harsh lines. So next I'm gonna do my brows, and when it comes to the brows, I cannot really tell you how to do your brows because you're the only one who can tell what actually suits your face and your features. I remember vividly back in 2016, oh my god, it was the year that doing your brows was the thing. It was the first time that I attempted to use a brow pencil and do my brows. And you don't want to know what they look like. But back then I thought that they looked really nice. So now of course I have changed how I do my brows. So for my brows today, I'm gonna use a clear brow gel. I'm gonna keep them very natural. I will just brush them upwards. I'm using the Kai Brow, the clear one. This is a quite affordable brow gel, I would say. If you want to use a brow pencil, I would highly recommend the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. It's so good and it's my favorite drugstore brow pencil. And I will just leave them like this. So next I'm gonna do cream blush. Blush always makes you look so much more awake, so never skip this step. And especially for a school makeup look, you definitely need to look awake and fresh. So I'm gonna use this nude stick, and this is another product that you need in your life because this is a multitasking balm, so you can use it on your face, on your eyes, and on your lips. I have the Sun-Kissed. This is where it looks like. This is a very beautiful color. It looks very natural on the skin, so I like to use a little bit on my hand. Then I take fluffy brush, I take the product, I keep it mainly here because it also creates a more lifted look. Look how beautiful is the color. I am so obsessed. And also look at the difference, guys. And the same I'm going to do on the other side. And with the excess of the brush, I will just go very lightly on my eyelids. So the next most important step for a long-lasting makeup is powder. And I'm gonna use this one. It's the Fenty Beauty, the Pro Filter. This is such a nice powder. It will make your makeup last for hours. It's not a joke. So I'm not the biggest fan of powders. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. But in order to create a long-lasting makeup, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I won't set my whole face. I will mainly keep it under my eyes. Look at the difference, guys. It doesn't crease, it stays really nice. You should definitely try this powder if you haven't already. If you have an oily skin, or if you want to set your whole face for your own reasons, for example, you might like a more matte finish, definitely go for it, but don't put too much powder. Just try to keep it as natural as possible. So next we're gonna set our face with a setting spray, and this is the third very important step for a long-lasting makeup. So I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills The Dewy Set. This is such a nice setting spray, and I would highly recommend to buy this one. To be honest with you guys, I didn't used to be the type of girl who gets up super early in the morning before school to do your makeup, make your hair, and find a cute outfit. On the days that I wanted to look a little bit more presentable, I would just get dressed, put mascara on, and leave. So if I was in school now and did this makeup, I would just leave it just like this with no mascara. But just because I used to wear mascara when I was at school, I will just do a tiny bit now. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. This is such a nice, affordable, and really good mascara. I'm going to remove the plumping gloss. So now for the lips, I'm gonna use a lip liner that is very similar to the color of my natural lips. This is a really nice lip liner. And now with my finger, I will just smudge it. Okay, and now all you have to do is to hydrate your lips. That's all you need for school. I will use this lip oil. It's by Wonder Skin. It's a clear one. And the last step is very optional, guys. I'm gonna create some faux freckles. So I use a tiny brush like this. I take my bronzer and I just go all over my nose very randomly. And now with my finger, I will just press them in a little bit so they can look more natural. So guys, we made it to the end. This is the final result. So guys, I'm gonna leave this video here. I hope you enjoyed it. Write me in the comments below if you will try this makeup look and what you want to see next from me. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Those things help me a lot. You can find me on Instagram. I post there daily. And I will hopefully see you to my next video.